Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to UCE Biology Section A, 2001. Which one of the following would occur if a potato strip was placed in a distilled water? A. Increase in length. B. Strip would soften. C. Decrease in length. D. Remain unchanged. The answer is A. Increase in length. When a seedling on a clinostat and placed in a horizontal position, the shoot continues to grow horizontally. But without the clinostat, it bends upwards. Which one of the following is true about the role of the clinostat? A. Enables the seedling to receive uniform light. B. Causes auxins to accumulate on the lower side of the seedling. C. Causes auxin to accumulate on the upper side of the seedling. D. Causes auxin to accumulate uniformly on all sides. The answer is D. Causes auxins to accumulate uniformly to all sides. The following are some features of lower plants. 1. Reproduce by spore. 2. Lack of vesicular tissue. 3. Grow in damp places. 4. Have simple stems and leaves. Which of the features belong to both mosses and ferns? A. 1 and 4. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. The answer is B. 1 and 3. Which part of the flowering plant is represented by the figure below? A. Monocotyledonous plant. B. Dicotyledonous stem. C. Monocotyledonous root. D. Dicotyledonous root. The answer is D. Dicotyledonous root. The following are products of tissue respiration in living organisms. 1. Energy. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Water. 4. Ethanol. And 5. Lactic acid. Which of them are common to both aerobic and anaerobic respiration in plants? A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2, 4 and 5. The answer is A. 1 and 2. A student wanted to determine the percentage of air in a soil sample. The following measurements were obtained. Volume of dry soil was equaling to 250 cubic centimeters. Volume of water added was equaling to 160 cubic centimeters. And the volume of the mixture of soil plus water were equaling to 380 cubic centimeters. What was the percentage of the air in the soil sample? A. 7.9%. B. 12%. C. 25%. D. 34%. And the answer is B. 12%. Which one of the following groups of animals uses gills, skin, buccal cavity, and lungs for gaseous exchange at some stage in their life? A. Fish. B. Amphibians. C. Reptiles. D. Mammals. And the answer is B. Amphibians. A student noted the following characteristics on a vertebrae. 1. Long neurospine. 2. Wide neurocanal. 3. Short transverse process. The vertebrate was A. Cervical. B. Atlas. C. Thoracic. D. Lumbar. The answer is C. Thoracic. Which one of the following may result from lack of progesterone hormone in a woman? A. Implantation may not occur. B. Miscarriage may occur. C. Menstruation may not occur. D. Ovulation may not occur. The answer is B. Miscarriage may occur. Which one of the following fruits is an example of a drupe? A. Avocado. B. Passion. C. Tomato. D. Orange. The answer is A. Avocado. To identify a substance Y, a student performed the following experiment. He tested heated Y with Benedict solution. Under observation, the solution remained blue. In the second part, he heated Y with hydrochloric acid, cooled, then added sodium hydrogen carbonate, Benedict's solution, then heated again. Observation, the solution turned to blue to orange. From the observation, the most likely food substance in Y is A. Starch. B. Maltose. C. Sucrose. D. Glucose. The answer is C. Sucrose. Which one of the following is true of both photosynthesis and respiration? A. Involves enzymes. B. Need light energy. C. Are exothermic. D. Occur in all living organisms. The answer is A. Involves enzymes. The reason why urine of a healthy person does not contain glucose is that A. The glomerulus is impermeable to glucose. B. Used for respiration before reaching the collecting duct. C. Glucose passes back into the bloodstream. D. The kidney converts glucose to urea. The answer is C. Glucose passes back into the bloodstream. Which one of the following reactions is likely to occur when a donor of blood group A gives blood to a recipient of blood group B? A. Antibodies react with antigens B. B. Antigens B react with antibodies B. C. Antibodies B react with antigen A. D. Antigens A react with antigens B. The answer is B. Antigens B react with antibodies B. When round-seeded bean plants and long-seeded plants were crossed, all the offsprings were oval-seeded plants. This is an example of A. Complete dominance. B. Incomplete dominance. C. Mutation. D. Recessive genes. The answer is B. Incomplete dominance. Which one of the following may not be used for classifying insects? A. Mouthparts. B. Feeding habits. C. Structure of legs. D. Types of eyes. The answer is B. Feeding habits. Which one of the following is a possible sequence of plant succession on an undeveloped piece of land? A. Fungi, ferns, shrubs, trees. B. Fungi, mosses, shrubs, trees. C. Mosses, trees, fungi, ferns. D. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. The answer is D. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. The graph below shows the effect of varying pH on the time taken for an enzyme to break down food. Which one of the following enzymes below could have given that response? A. Pepsin. B. Lipase. C. Salivary amylase. D. Trypsin. The answer is A. Pepsin. Which one of the following things provides a major propulsion force in a fish? A. Caudal. B. Pectoral. C. Dorsal. D. Pelvic. The answer is A. Caudal fin. Which one of the following characteristics of respiratory surfaces is true of humans but not of insects? A. Highly vascularized. B. Have large surface area. C. Moist. D. Thin-walled. The answer is A. Highly vascularized. The rapid elongation of hypocotyl during germination causes a delay in emergence of photosynthesis leaves. B. Cotyledons to grow above the ground. C. Early emergence of photosynthetic leaves. D. The answer is B. Cotyledons to grow above the ground. Which one of the following blood vessels contain the lowest concentration of urea? A. Hepatic portal vein. B. Renal artery. C. Hepatic vein. D. Renal vein. The answer is D. Renal vein. Which one of the following is the correct response increased carbon dioxide in human blood? The rate of A. Breathing is slowed. B. Heartbeat is slowed down. C. Heartbeat is increased. D. The impulse pulse is slowed down. The answer is C. Heartbeat is increased. The tapeworm Tania solium has a primary and secondary host. Which of the following are the primary and second host in that order? A. Pig and man. B. Cow and man. C. Man and cow. D. Man and pig. The answer is D. Man and pig. Which one of the following statements is not correct about photosynthesis? A. Water is required. B. Oxygen is a byproduct. C. Sugar is a product. D. Energy is released. Answer is D. Energy is released. Figure 2 below shows the cycling of oxygen between the atmosphere and living cells. Which process is represented by letter X? A. Excretion. B. Respiration. C. Decay. D. Photosynthesis. The answer is D. Photosynthesis. Which one of the following is the correct reason for the thickness of the walls of atria and ventricle? A. Atria are thicker because they have to generate high pressure. B. Atria are thicker because they have to resist high pressure. C. Ventricles because they have to generate high pressure. D. Ventricles are thicker because they have to resist high pressure. The answer is C. Ventricles because they have to generate higher pressure. Which of the following controls the rate of heartbeat in man? A. Cerebrum. B. Pituitary. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Cerebrum. The answer is C. Medulla oblongata. Which one of the following events occur during osmosis? A. Solute molecules move from more to less concentrated solution. B. Solvent molecules move from more to less concentrated solution. C. Solvent molecules move from less to more concentrated solution. D. Solute molecules move from less to more concentrated solution. The answer is C. Solvent molecules move from less to more concentrated solution. Which of the following is characteristic of a soil with low capillarity? A. Poor water retention. B. Poor drainage. C. Poor aeration. D. Small particles. The answer is A. Poor water retention. Hello, my friend. Thank you very much for participating in UCE Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.